Pathways to Practice is a program that is really geared towards helping pre-med students throughout their journey into getting them into medical school. I enrolled into Pathways to Practice because I realized that my grades and my transcripts weren't really where I needed them to be. Pathways to Practice was really catered towards students that were between being average and above average students, so I realized where I was and where I needed to be, and the Pathways to Practice is helping me achieve my goals for that. The faculty and staff provided an extreme welcoming environment. They provided a level of support that I am not able to get from my family with being the first person to pursue medicine. So Pathways to Practice really did fill that gap with the support that I needed. I really enjoyed the urban health classes that we had to take with all the different opportunities that are available, and the urban health classes has really highlighted a lot of health inequities and how to address patients in a professional and inclusive way. There's been a lot of opportunities to advocate for issues that may not be well known in the community. There have been a lot of volunteer opportunities, a lot of opportunities to become a mentor and to be a mentee. There are a lot of connections between the local hospitals for us to get experience with working with physicians and behaving at a professional level. Everything that this program has to offer is very beneficial to you and throughout your journey. Not only do they support you academically, emotionally, just having that support on the other side outside of school definitely does play a role in your success here.